Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy HJ. Welcome back to HJ's Garage. Today we're back with the E28. This is episode 4. We'll be stripping off the front wings and we'll be clearing out the engine bay. Stay tuned. So this is episode 4 of the E28 M535i restoration on the channel. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, the car does require some welding. So the car has already been booked in for the welding work. That will be going off to the welder at the end of this week. So we've got a few other little things that we need to get removed on the car. So firstly is the front wings. They've got some rust at the bottoms, which is a common thing on the E28s. We bought a repair panel for both wings, so the welder will be getting that resolved for us, so we don't have any wings. The majority of the wings are actually in really good condition, just the bottoms, as you know, British weather and the salt on the roads and stuff. So it's obviously just rusted away there. Secondly is the engine bay is getting painted as well, so we're going to be removing the ABS pump, a few little bits and pieces at the front of the engine bay, so it's ready for the painter. So the car will be getting welded at the end of this week, but it will be going straight off to paint. It will be going up north to Manchester, so we won't see the car for maybe a couple of weeks, so the content will slow down a little whilst we wait for all of that to be done. However, just so you guys stay tuned, stay locked in with our videos, we will be doing a strip down of the engine, which is, if you can see it, right over there in the back. So we will be stripping down the engine, we will be replacing the head gasket, making sure everything's done properly inside. We'll also be resurfacing the head and the block, making sure that they're absolutely true. Whilst we've got it out of the car, we're going to replace some extra gaskets here and there, making sure that it's all 100%. We'll be replacing the sump gasket, the rocker cover gasket, head gasket, a few little other gaskets here and there. The water pump, thermostat, all of that kind of stuff. That will all be in future episodes on the E28 whilst we're waiting for the car to be welded and for the paintwork to be done. So guys, let's get to it. So this is what the engine bay currently looks like. So there's barely anything in there. However, what we want to really do is remove the ABS pump that's sitting down there. So we're going to remove that. We're going to move the fuse box out the way. So there's a few other bits and pieces. We'll also be removing the front of the car. So we're going to take the headlights out, remove the grille, and remove the front wing. So what I'm going to start off with is the headlights. They're quite simple to actually remove. So to remove these grills, they've got these plastic screws up here that hold these clips in. They're removed by Phillips head screw, but these are very brittle, and as you can see, they've really just come off like so. So we've got to pull these away. There is a line here for the washer. We've got the grill somewhat out. There's a hose here that needs to be removed. So again, very brittle plastic, so we need to be very careful here. There we go. So that's one grill out. Okay. So as you've seen, we've already removed this side of the grill. So we're going to continue and do the other side, and we're going to remove the central grill as well. Finally, we're going to remove the iconic kidney grills. A lot of you guys know that BMW have started doing these massive grills that size of your head. I prefer these much more, and I'm sure a lot of you will agree with me. Okay, so that's your grills off. Normal size grills, normal size. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is remove the headlights. They're held in by Phillips screws again, in each of the four corners. So all we need to do here is undo the connectors for the lights. We'll pull this hose through. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the front wing. If you look closely, there is a little screw over here, the Phillips screw where my screwdriver is pointing. That's a hidden one that a lot of people miss, and it makes it a lot more difficult to take the wing off. So just going to pop that out really quickly. So we're going to continue taking the wing off. There are 10mm screws up here, which have already been loosened. There are a couple more screws that you have to remove. You've got two out here on the outside of the wall once you remove the bumper, and there are a few 10mm all across the inside of here for you to be able to take the wing off. So let's get to it. There's three 10mm bolts that hold the wing in place. Top one's a bit difficult to see. So there is actually a fourth 10mm bolt that I missed. That's right here. That's the wing released, so you got to push it forward. It is bonded down at the back here, but it's not that strong, so that's the wing off. We just got to remove the indicator bulb here. There we go. So that's one wing off. Next thing we're going to do is remove the ABS pump. So we're going to remove the lines firstly, the 11mm. So we've got all the lines, the hard lines disconnected from the unit. So there are now some 13mm nuts here that we're just going to remove. So we're just going to disconnect the wiring harness from it. So we're just going to move the brake lines out of the way. These will be getting replaced anyway. And on the ABS pump on the side there is a 10mm ground wire. This needs to be removed. Alright guys, so we're gonna stop work right there. It's getting late, so we'll wrap the episode here. Guys, we've got a lot of stuff done today. We got the front wings off, we got the lights off, we got the grills off, and we also took the ABS pump out of the way, so the welder now has all the space that he needs to continue the work. So as I mentioned previously in the episode, the car is being sent off to the welder this week. It will be with him at the end of the week. It's about a week for him to do the work that is required. As I've shown in previous videos, obviously the front trays for the battery tray and the ABS pump tray, the front valance as well, that's all getting welded up. The sills are getting done, jacking points are getting done. So there's a lot that's going on. So once the car has been welded up, it will be sent up north to the body shop who's going to do all the paint work. It's getting a full respray in the same color that the car already is in. It's getting the engine bay done as well. So the car will be fresh when it's finally back. We won't have any updates on the E28 for the next, I'd say, about month or so. So I really apologize for that, but it's something that's out of our hands. So if you guys enjoyed our content, please like, drop some comments down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notifications bell, guys, so you'll be up to date with all the videos that we will be dropping. There's quite a lot of stuff that is coming up that whilst the E28 is away. There isn't a video on the CL63 where I will be doing the cam adjusters. I've got a rebuild kit from 63 Motorsports in Alberta, so that's all here. So we're going to do that next on the channel. That video will come out next Saturday. So whenever you're watching this, so you're watching it on Wednesday, the video for the CL63 will come out on Saturday. We will also be doing some work on the Audi S4, so I will be replacing the tailgate on that car because mine's quite heavily damaged actually. So that's going to be that on the Audi, and also the 335 is still not with me. The car is still at the body shop. It's not going to be back till I'd assume till the end of February due to all the COVID-19 restrictions and lockdown that is currently on in the UK. So guys, if you enjoyed what you saw, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on our Instagram down below, and we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.